AkitaBox's newest feature, Asset Relationships, gives you the ability to connect assets and rooms within AkitaBox. Routine maintenance work doesn't happen in a bubble. Before your teams even start touching an asset, they can quickly understand what other assets or rooms may be affected. Easy access to these relationships takes the guesswork out of maintenance tasks, keeping facilities operating as they should and avoiding catastrophic mistakes. Now shutoff valves on PlanView are even more powerful, making it possible for your teams to quickly respond in emergency situations. In your AkitaBox organization settings, you create the relationship types you need. The number of relationships you can build is unlimited, and the phrasing is entirely up to you, so you can use the terms your team is most comfortable with. Once your relationship types are set, you can start connecting assets and rooms together. This new functionality shows both upstream and downstream relationships, providing your teams with a simple understanding of what might be affected by their maintenance work. The AkitaBox platform just keeps getting better. Learn more at AkitaBox.com.